Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this card making tutorial. Today we're making a quick and easy card featuring the Memory and More cards from Stampin' Up. And this is the first card I've made, and it says Celebrate Today, and you've got this cute little kitty here. And you can see here we've got some lovely silver paper in the background, which is giving off a lot of glare, so I'm sorry about that. So let's make another one. These are really simple and easy to make. My card base this time is going to be Misty Moonlight, and I've got a piece here of basic white cardstock that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and we're going to just use this as our insert. Now there are matching envelopes and cards for the Memory Mores, but I've just used something out of my stash because I've got a ton of cardstock, so use it up. So let's see what we're going to use as our background piece. And I'm going to use here the Thoughtful Journey card. So I'm going to look through my 6x4 cards for a background piece. So this is the piece I used last time. So we could use this piece here if we wanted. We've also got this one here. That would look pretty. Let's see. I'm really looking for a piece. Well, that's nice. You could just, you could just put that straight on the front, happy birthday. But I think I'm going to go with that one there. And then let's look for a little sentiment card. So we're going to have that on the front. Celebrate Today is what we used already. We could have another piece like that if we wanted. But I really want... Oh, that would be nice. Thank you very much. That would look lovely. Let's have a look what else we've got. The sky is the limit. Life is an adventure. Let's see. Sending all my love. No, I'm going to go with that one, I think. Thanks very much. So that's going to be that. And then we need to cut this down slightly because it's slightly too big. So you can decide whether you want to chop the bottom or the top off. And I wanted to measure roughly 14.35 centimeters by 10. So I'm going to chop off just a slight bit off the side here. So it does measure that, like that. And then 14.35 centimeters. So I'm going to chop off a little bit off the base, like that, and then I'm going to chop a little bit off the top so that I don't lose too much of anything. There we go. So that's going to be my background piece. Whoopsie daisy. So let's stick this down. The longest time here for making the card is deciding which pieces you want to put on your card, which is making choices. But I don't know how that dimensional got there, but anyway. Then I am going to back this on a little piece of silver cardstock, so let's see if this is big enough. Just. Do I want to be so small? Yeah, actually I think that's going to look really good. So I'm going to use rather some dry adhesive just because I don't want it to splodge out, because if it splodges out it doesn't look nice. It does affect the silver cardstock, the silver foil sheet. So I'm just going to put this, we're going to have a very thin border around our card, so just a tiny bit of something, but because it's so shiny you'll see it. So I'm just going to cut off here, so it's a tiny border as well. Yeah, that will do. Okay, and then I'm going to put on the back here some of our foam adhesive sheet, which I should have got out before. So I'm just going to look for that. And okay, so I've put it on the back. The nice thing about this, you just have to take one piece of backing paper off. And then we're going to just put this down on our card. Doesn't that look cute? Now I'm just going to look through my ephemera packs to see if there's anything here that I might want to add. And this is this something for everything ephemera pack, and this is where I got the kitty cat from. Let's see, we could add a little flower. And obviously not just one. Could add a camera. You can see I've got my kitty. You could add, I love these little coffee mugs. As you can see, I've got tons of this that I haven't used. You could use a butterfly maybe, although I think this might be a bit big. Oh, I don't know, that will look nice actually, instead of the flower. And look at the little doggy. I don't know how this will look. Oh, that is so cute. Oh yeah, we're using the dog. There we go, we're using the doggy. That is so cute. So I'm just going to stick him straight down because there's already a dimension here. And he's so cute. I love that. It just brings that fun, something fun to the card. I know he's got a little hat on and you would think that's birthday, but I don't care. Someone said to me, I'm the boss of me. So, and I like that. Thanks so very much. Wouldn't that be great for a party if you were saying thank you for a present for your birthday card? For a birthday present rather. Wouldn't that be cute? That would be so nice. I don't know if anyone ever sends thank you cards nowadays. We used to. When I was a kid, I had to religiously, after my birthday, after Christmas, send thank you cards. Or at least, you know, if they were people I knew had to say thank you. Send some kind of thank you card. Do something. It was always part of it. I don't think people do it nowadays so much, but I don't know, it was nice. Do I want another one? No, I think that's enough. So there you go. You've got the kitty version and you've got the doggy version. You can tell me which you prefer. Sorry about the glare. See if I can make that a bit. Oh, that made it worse. Doesn't really make a lot of difference. Sorry. Anyway, you can tell me which you prefer. So I hope you enjoyed that card making tutorial using the Memory More cards and our ephemera packs from Stampin' Up. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you wanted more information about the projects, you can find all the links below in the description box. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.